Morning students. Now today we will start the exercise 12.3 and let's look some question of the 12.3. Question number 1 is question first I want to make a figure because it will be given. This is a figure is given. And now we can read the question. Find the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded one. Question says, find the area of the shaded region if PQ is equal to 24. Given is PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. This is 24. And PR equal to 7. These two things are given only. O is the center of the circle. This is given. So let me speak something about the question. What I can see, I just want to tell you something about. PR is 7. This is 24. This O is center. So it is a diameter. O is the center, so it is diameter. Right? Diameter, and this definitely you should remember for the circle. Diameter always makes a semicircle, and it divides the whole circle into two different semicircles. So first one is this semicircle, and one should remember also in the semicircle the angle of any triangle is 90 degree, meaning angle of semicircle is 90 degree. Always this is 90. If this is a semicircle, the angle of the semicircle is always 90 degree. So one should remember that this is the angle of the semicircle, it is 90 degree. Okay, so this will help us actually. Let me clear one thing, that this is 90 degree. I would write something here. Since QR is a diameter, QR is a diameter, so angle R, P and Q definitely will be 90 degree. We need not specially specify anywhere that why it is 90. Diameter is only sufficient word. If QR is a diameter, this angle of a semicircle is 90 degrees, so RPQ is 90. After showing 90, I will take triangle QPR, which is right angle triangle, and I will use the Pythagoras theorem where this is perpendicular, this is base. I will find the hypotenuse. In the right angle triangle QPR by Pythagoras theorem, which is a QR hypotenuse square equal to 24 square plus 7 square, perpendicular square base square. So this is going to be 576 I think plus 49, both will be 625, and one should go for QR equal to 25. That QR, you have got QR, which is diameter. Now one can understand that radius will be 25 by 2 centimeter. So this is none else but radius we have got. Now we want to find this shaded region now. So what we will do? So it looks easy. I tell you, you first find the area of the semicircle, and this is also shaded, which is not appeared in the book properly. But these two are shaded. These two are shaded. So let me explain what you will do. I think one can understand easily that you first find area of semicircle and then subtract from this area of right angle triangle. So this will be your shaded region. So required shaded area is equal to what? The area of semicircle minus the area of triangle RPQ. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle RPQ. So what is the area of semicircle? Pi r square upon 2. Pi r square upon 2, because pi r square is the area of circle. So semicircle area will be half. And what about area of a right angle triangle? 1 upon 2 base into height. Now you can go through this. Pi is, I think, value of pi in the question 22 by 7 is given, so okay, we will follow that, but I think nothing, okay, we'll think later. What is r square? That is 25 by 2, 25 by 2 whole square upon 2, I'll write here 1 upon 2, base into height, so base is what the right hand triangle, 7 into 24, 7 into 24. So your answer is, I think, 3.14 is good to put there. 25 by 2 square meaning 625 by 4 it is, minus we can cancel, 6, 2, 6 and 42. Now it's time to simplify the term. I will cancel and I will cancel approximately only. 4 ones are 4, 5s are. We have done it. Now last work I am leaving on you because it is time taking, you can understand. These two will multiply, whatever the answer will have, we can subtract 42 from that answer, and last will be answer of the shaded region. So this was a question, it was a good question, nothing hard. The calculation gonna be lengthy, so student, you do practice, I think you can understand it very well. Okay, now we put the second question, some other question we will look today. Question number third I am taking. Second is very easy for one and all. Third I am taking. The picture first of all I want to make. Like that it is given, and we have a shaded. These two shaded is given. This is point P, A, B, C and D. What given? Find the area of the shaded region, 12.21 figure, but ABCD is square. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter, and VPC are semicircles. This is given. This is given. So what we can do, let me speak something. We have this 14 centimeter, 14 also, and 14 centimeter. All are 14 centimeter. Well, one can understand we want to find the shaded region. So what we will do? These two are semicircle. So we will find the area of both semicircles, even single semicircle, and then multiply by 2. And then we will subtract these two area from whole squares area. So we will have only two shaded regions remaining. So it's very simple. I tell you, right here I can start with this. One can understand it is semicircle and it is diameter. Since diameter of semicircles is 14 centimeter, one can understand that the radius will be 7 centimeter for this and this also. So I don't want to waste the time. I will do very direct that required shaded region is these two I want to find. So this is area of the square ABCD minus these two area. This is a semicircle and this is also same semicircle. So I write 2 into area of a semicircle. So meaning anyone. So one semicircle area into 2 I will do, and then I will subtract that area from whole area ABCD. One can have these two simple areas. So what is the area of square ABCD? Side is square, 14 into 14. You know, side is 14. And 2 into, what is the area of a semicircle? Pi r square upon 2, into 2 into cancel. Now what we have? 14, 14, 196. Pi meaning 22 by 7. Radius is 7. So 7 7 are 49. 7 7 are 49. So 196 minus 154. So one can have answer 42 square centimeter. That's simple. So by writing directly, I think it's gonna be easy. Otherwise, if you will do step by step, it is also okay. But sometimes the question gonna be little long. Okay. So you can think by your own what you feel comfort. and convenient, you can use this method. So this question we have done it. Okay, let me take a fourth one. First I want to make a picture like that. Not a good picture, it is still acceptable. O, A, B. And we have a full shaded. You know, we have a full shaded like that. Like that. And what given? Question number 12, it's a question number 4th one. Find the area of the shaded one where a circular arc of radius 6, this is 6, and this is circular arc, and has been drawn with the vertex O. This is vertex O as a center, and an equilateral triangle OAB having a side 12 cm. Now these two things are given. O as a center and also vertex of the equilateral triangle. This is circular arc of radius 6, and this is an equilateral triangle whose side is 12. One can now simply understand. Side, this is I think gonna be easy because we have two different areas. This is sector, you know, this is triangle, and we know area of both of the figures. So one thing which I want to share with you, that how we can find the sector. We need, you know, formula pi r squared theta upon 360. It is the area of the sector whose radius is given and angle is given. So what do you think about here? The central angle must given. So if you will focus on that sector, the central angle is this one. This one, because we want to find this area. It's a major sector. So one can predict very easily because this is not, but it is 60 degree. It is an equilateral triangle, and we know that all angle of equilateral triangle is always 60. So if it is 60, it is 300. It is 300, and that was important. And radius of the sector is already 6 is given. So this all will help us to do the question. So this I will you know that make here some foundation by writing that the structure is what I tell you. It's given that a circular arc, the circular arc is drawn on the vertex O of equilateral triangle OAB. This is a simple sentence now, where radius equal to 6 cm and theta is equal to 360 minus 60, which is 300. Why 60? Because this is going to be 60. We can write in picture also, even it is not given. So this is theta, we have got it. Now I will write directly the required area. I always prefer to write this. Don't be formal. You can write directly the required area. That is the area of, look at, major sector. Major sector meaning that circular arc. This was, and plus area of equilateral triangle OAB. Now we have both formulas. Area of major sector, formula is pi r square upon 360. Sorry, theta upon 360 plus area of an equilateral triangle. You remember, root 3 by 4 side square. If you don't remember the formula, you can now see. This is a formula. Now we have to add both of this. So okay, we'll go with pi. Radius is 6 square 36 into theta was 360. Root 3 by 4. And about side, so we talking about equilateral triangle side, which is 12. So 12 12s are 144. Now I'll find this 10 times and this 2 1 time. So this is 30 only, and these two will cancel by 36 times. This is the only formal thing remaining. Pi should be put 3.14 and under 3 can be put 1.73 if it is given. Can you see? It is not given in the book. If you remember, you can put, or if you don't remember, you can leave same as it is. Now the formality is remaining only. You can multiply and get your answer properly. So I don't want to do further this because it's simple multiplication and additions remaining. It is only time taking, and I think you can make it, student. So whatever the answer we are getting, this is square centimeter with the unit, and that is answer. Okay. So question number 4 we have done it. Now let's look for some question of the book. Question number 5th also looking easy. I want to take this. From each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, side is given 4 centimeter. 1 centimeter radius is cut also, and 1 centimeter from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of 4 centimeter, a quadrant of circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut. Also, a circle of diameter 2 is cut from the middle. Find the remaining area. What it is told. This is whole 4, and definitely we are given that this kind of 4 quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter. This is none else but it is 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter, and all are 1 centimeter. Middle one, we have a circle of diameter 2 centimeter, meaning radius is also 1 centimeter. If you talk about this radius, it is 1 centimeter. But we want to find this area. This area we want to find out. Can you see? This area we want to find out. This looking, you know that the question is not hard. So very simple. This is looking. In first view, we can understand that this is a quadrant, and I tell you one thing, that area of a quadrant is directly this one. If you have forgot, please try to recall and remember all the formulas. Pi r square upon 4 is none else but it is the area of a quadrant. So one can understand we have 1 quadrant, 2 quadrant, 3 quadrant and 4 quadrant. So I will find the area of 1 quadrant, then I will multiply by 4. So I would have all the area of a quadrant, and then I would have one more thing, that is area of a circle. Radius is 1 centimeter. So you also know area of circle is pi r square. Now after finding these two, what we will do? We will add these two. You know, area of quadrants plus area of circle, and I will subtract this all area from the area of a square. So I would have the rest areas. So it's simple. I would be a little formal here. It's given only. The name of the whole square was given ABC, and nothing. Okay, now look at here, given the side of square ABCD is 4 centimeter, and radius of quadrants 1 centimeter, also radius of a circle which is given in middle, diameter was 2, so radius is 1 centimeter. Diameter was 2, so radius is 1 centimeter. So required area is what we will do? Whole area minus addition of all. So I'll write area of square ABCD minus of area of circle plus 4 into area of a quadrant. Area of a quadrant. Can you see? Can you see, student? This is nothing hard. One can understand. Whole area ABCD minus in bracket area of a circle plus we have a 4 quadrant, 4 into area of a quadrant. Now we can put the values. Now, what is area of an ABCD? Side is square. Area of circle, pi r square. 4. Area of a quadrant, pi r square upon 4. These two are different. Actually they are coming with different sense, because this r is the area of a circle and this r is the area of a radius. Sorry, this r is the radius of a big circle and this r is the radius of quadrant. So we can also make some different symbol like r1 square, something like that. If you are writing r, no matter at all, but put value correctly. Now go on. Side is 14, sorry 4, meaning it is 16. Pi, what is radius of that particular circle was 1. So 1 square is 1. 4 and 4 cancel. Pi, radius 1 is also 1. You know, it is also 1. Quadrant. And now we have 16 minus pi plus pi, meaning 16 minus 2 pi. Now we can put the value of pi is 3.14. We can multiply by all the way and we can subtract the thing, will have 9.72 square centimeter. This is the area of the shaded region. So it was simple done. Okay, question number 7, I'm looking for that. First I want to make a picture. First circle, second circle, third one, and fourth one. And this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And I will join on the centers of these circles. We have a shaded in the middle. And now I want to find this particular area. How we can find out? Now we want to read the question. ABCD is a square of side 14 cm. Given that ABCD is a square of side 14 cm. This is a 14 cm, you know, and ABCD, sorry, with the center ABCD, 4 circles are drawn such that the radius of each circle touch extremely 2 of remaining 3 circles. Find the shaded region. So one can understand that, you know, this time, if this is a 14 centimeter, one can understand that this is going to be 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, this is going to be 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter, all the way like that. I don't want to waste the time. I tell you one thing. This is a can you see the picture? This is none else but it is a quadrant, and we have 4 quadrant. And same type of a question which the language I used in last question coming here. You know, it is a radius, it is a quadrant, and we know the area of quadrant is pi r square upon 4. So we have a 4 quadrants, so we will multiply by 4. So we would have all the such area for all quadrants we would have. Then what we will do? Area of a square minus area of all such quadrants, and we'll have an answer. So very simple it was. ABCD is square of a side 14 centimeter. So one can understand that radius of each quadrant by picture we can understand it, that is r equal to 7 centimeter. And then the required area. I always prefer to write like directly. Area of a square. The required area is equal to what? Area of a square ABCD. Area of a square ABCD minus, we have 4 quadrants. 4 into area of a 1 quadrant. A quadrant. 4 into area of a quadrant. Now go on. This is side into side. And area of quadrant is a pi r square upon 4. These two cancel. Now, students, side into side is 14. 14 square, and pi, that r is what? 7. The radius of quadrant. 7 square. Now 14, 196. Pi is a 22 by 7 is good to put here, and this is 49. These two cancel. These two will be 154, and the answer is 42 square centimeter. That's the answer. So students, I think it's gonna be easy. Nothing it was hard. Okay. Now let's look question. The last thing I am making here for you. Question number I will make here on 9th one. Question number 9 is what? In 12.27 figure, the figure is given like that. This is a diameter. We have a circle and we have one more triangle. So two things we have to find out: this area and this area. You know, this is B and A, C and D, it is O, like that. And given, I want to write first. AB and CD are two diameters, okay? AB and CD are diameter of circle. And this time the diameters are perpendicular. AB and CD are diameter of circle which are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now next, OD is a diameter of a smaller circle. OD is a diameter of a smaller circle, and OA is 7. OA is equal to 7 centimeter. We want to find the shaded region. So what do you think about this? You know it is 7. So this 7 is none else but it is the area of a big circle. If it is 7, OD will be also 7, which is diameter of smaller circle. So half of 7 is 7 by 2, which will be the radius of the smaller circle. Now the next side is what? The next side is what? We have these two parts which is to find out. So how we can find this answer? So if you'll admit me, I tell you, this is none else but it is a semicircle whose radius is OA, which is 7. So find the area of a semicircle minus. Can you think that it is a none else but it is a right angle triangle? Why? It is a diameter. So it is a right angle triangle. So you know also the formula of right angle triangle, 1 upon 2 base into height. So 1 upon 2 base and height. Again I am telling, this is a right angle triangle. So what is the formula of area of right angle triangle? 1 upon 2 base into height. So base is this and height is this, you know. This is 7 also and this is 14. So one can find the area of a triangle. One can find the area of a semicircle. And then we will subtract. We will have these two regions together. And area of circle is very easy to find out. So we will combine all and get answer. So this is the way I am using it. Let me be formal with writing something. O is equal to 7. So radius of a big circle is R equal to 7 centimeter, and the diameter of small circle is also 7 centimeter. That means radius of a small circle is equal to, I am changing the name R1. This have a radius 7 by 2, and now I'll write something. This is 7, this is 7, this is 7. You know, this is also 7. What I'm going to do, you know it. I'll write required area equal to area of smaller circle plus this have completed. Now it's time to do this one. Area of a semicircle minus area of semicircle BCA. Name it BCA minus area of a right angle triangle BCA minus area of a right angle triangle BCA. That's simple. You know, do together. Area of smaller circle, you know it. What is the area of smaller circle? Pi r square. But I am writing pi r1 square because I changed the name for smaller circle radius. Area of a semicircle, pi r square upon 2. Area of a right angle triangle, 1 upon 2 base into height. Now put up the values. Pi is pi only. Radius 1 is 7 by 2. Square, 49 by 4. Plus pi r square, pi. Radius is what is the radius of the this r1 was 7 by 2, but this r is 7. So 49. Minus half base into height. What is the base of the right angle triangle? Was 14. And height is the 7. Now we can go on. This is 22 by 7. We can put here. This is 22 by 7. 7 is a 14. We can put here. And 2 7s are 7 7s are 49 is good to put here. Now we have a term, big terms there is. So we can solve 7 7s are 49. 7 into 12 is 22 is 154 upon 4. Plus 7 2s are 7 7s are again 154 upon 2 minus 49. So we can solve this. We can cancel or we can take LCM. So I think the further one is easy for one and all. Whatever you want to choose the method, you can take an LCM or whatever you want to prefer, you can do it. So whatever answer we are having, this is the required area. So okay, it is enough of the day. You complete the exercise from your side. Rest few questions we'll see tomorrow. Thank you.